Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Infinity of Nashville, we have our 2023 Toyota Crown. This one is a limited. Crown has replaced the Avalon. The Avalon was essentially their full-size sedan. I'm not sure how to open this. Oh, there we go. Was their full-size sedan. The Crown's kind of taken that over. And every Crown is a hybrid, two powertrain choices. The entry-level powertrain, which is in the XLE, and the Limited, and then the Platinum has a 330 some odd horsepower version. Every single one is a hybrid though. Very nice interior, very comfortable. Back seats are extremely comfortable, nice panoramic roof, JBL sound, great infotainment system with the new Toyota Intune, I think is what it's called. But a couple different drive modes. You have Sport, Normal, Eco will be in Sport. But yeah, so obviously CVT transmission. Extremely comfortable ride, extremely quiet. The gauge cluster, very configurable. You have a bunch of different modes you can use. This one is your sport gauges in adaptive cruise mode. Let's see, you do this. Yeah, there we go. Kind of change what gets displayed. Thing with Toyota is they've been in the hybrid game a very long time. So in terms of reliability and how they are to drive, they're definitely the most confidence inspiring in terms of reliability. And in terms of driving, it drives well. It's not herky jerky. It's not overly complicated. It's just a hybrid system. The performance does not knock your socks off fast. Obviously, this isn't even the fastest one, but quick enough for me to say I don't need any more in this car for what it's designed to do. The one thing compared to the Avalon is this is set up much higher. It definitely has much more of a SUV seating position to it. You're sat up higher, the ride height is higher, which I think is what the market has determined they want. Everybody wants an SUV, everybody wants an SUV feel. I mean, I'm not one of them, but the people spending the money are. So obviously that's, I think, where Toyota directed this one. And then you have the Crown Signia, which is a hatchback version of this. I mean, this is my first time in a Crown. I've never been a King before, so I've never had a Crown. But I've been pretty thoroughly impressed, especially for the price point that this sits in. I think a lot of people will see the MSRP of $50,000-$60,000 and say, for a Toyota, that's insane. And if this was 2007, I'd say I agree with you. But Toyota's taken a lot of steps in the right direction. This has plenty of features, heated wheel, cooled seats, back seat comfortability is unbelievable. And in used market, you can get these for between like 35 to 40 grand or so. Not a plug-in hybrid. It is, you can't charge the hybrid system. All you do is put gas in it and it will go about 400 to 500 miles depending on your driving on a tank of fuel, which is pretty impressive. Being a hybrid, it's actually more fuel efficient in the city than it is on the highway, and like your back roads doing 40 to 50 miles an hour is going to be its peak fuel efficiency, because at that point it can put itself into hybrid mode, or should I say EV mode. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.